This is where natural's texture transforms into million-dollar craftsmanship.
Deep in the tropical wetlands, one of nature's most ancient predators begins its journey to luxury, the crocodile.
Special handlers capture these reptiles under strict wildlife supervision, ensuring safety and zero harm.
Specially trained handlers work in calm precision, securing each animal under strict welfare supervision to ensure zero injury or stress.
Before entering the factory, every load is inspected for compliance and documentation. From wilderness to workshop, the convoy carries precision cargo, regulated, monitored, and temperature controlled. The factory spans acres of specialized zones, rough-hew, from skinning to finishing. The receiving bay functions like a lab. Humidity, temperature, and sanitation all maintained with surgical precision.
Arrival protocols demand absolute documentation. Every shipment logged, every second recorded for traceability.
In the acclimation area, the reptiles are kept calm, hydrated, and observed by veterinarians.
Each animal is handled under veterinary supervision to ensure humane processing.
Every crocodile is tagged and recorded, zalorded, its identity traced from habitat to production line.
Here the crocodiles are stabilized, hydrated, and medically examined before any industrial transition begins.
The first belt starts to move. From this moment, an orchestrated system takes over, where engineering.
Every second of the process is audited. Sensors track, calibrate, and self-correct in real time.
Automation and human expertise merge, Gus. Machines perform the labor, but minds maintain precision.
Precision extends to the atmosphere. Controlled humidity and airflow preserve material integrity from the very first step.
The stage is set pat, where living texture will meet industrial choreography, and transformation begins.
Every transfer is timed to precision. Hydraulic lifts replace rough handling, letting the animal's weight move naturally onto the processing line.
Digital imaging systems capture anatomical data, the foundation for grading, documentation, and quality forecasting. Rows of living precision, each specimen tracked individually, its condition monitored at every meter of the line. Automation replaces contact. Air cushion supports and sensors coordinate gentle motion through the corridor. Rows of living precision, each specimen tracked individually, its condition monitored at every meter of the line.
Once coated and tagged, the hides move into curing tunnels. Precision replaces instinct. Science governs tradition.
Climate and airflow shift gradually, maintaining humane conditions as the process advances deeper into automation.
Mechanical supports stabilize movement. The line must be perfectly still before mechanical preparation can begin. Within this silent choreography, biology meets engineering prepared, the moment before transformation.
Inside this climate-controlled corridor, each product stream separates.
The first preservation layer is mineral salt, preventing moisture loss and preparing the texture for chemical tanning. Cold air circulation stabilizes the organic fibers arrivo. Timing and temperature define future leather quality.
When the closed processing cycle concludes, sealed doors open under strict protocols. Only authorized
Materials exit the cell already segregated, crocodile skins and meat for downstream processing. Grade A hides are automatically routed to preservation lanes, where calibrated salt applicators protect the natural. Automated inspection evaluates each without human contact. 3D mapping records thickness, grain, and high-value zones for grading.
Grade A hides are automatically routed to preservation lanes where calibrated salt applicators protect the natural.
Organic streams are processed on parallel tracks, sealed transfer, scrubbing of exhaust, and rapid sampling to ensure hygienic compliance for downstream use. Tagged and tracked, move to cold staging. Each frame receives a serial barcode linking it to origin, grade, and the timeline for tanning.
From sealed exit to staging,
This tightly choreographed flow keeps product integrity intact. Every
Stabilized hides leave cold storage and enter purification. Each sheet is weighed, logged, and guided toward the automated wash drums. Gentle water jets and rotation rinse away salt and residual proteins, restoring the natural flexibility of the fibers.
Automated lifts prevent manual strain prelude. Humidity and temperature remain constant to protect texture.
Laboratory checks run in parallel. Chemistry defines artistry, and precision governs every batch.
Mechanical presses draw out retained moisture, leaving the material pliable and uniform for tanning.
Pre-tanning conditioning restores pH balance and eliminates microorganisms. Shows a laboratory treatment on an industrial scale.
Cleansed and neutralized, the hides progress to the chemical heart of the plant, the tanning corridor. Here begins the transformation role, where pure collagen meets chemistry to become leather built to last decades.
The tanning corridor transforms raw hide into enduring leather, a balance of motion, heat, and chemistry, perfected by precision.
Vegetable and chrome tanning solutions infuse deep into every fiber, binding structure and preserving strength for generations.
Digital dosing systems correct acidity and mineral balance in real time. Precision measured to the 10th of a degree, the 1,000th of a liter.
As hours pass, natural oils and tannins bond with collagen, replacing water with resilience. When equilibrium is reached, rotation stops. Drums open to reveal the first glimpse of true
Airflow removes surface moisture in controlled phases. Slow drying prevents cracking and locks the tanning agents inside. Airflow removes surface moisture in controlled phases. Slow drying prevents cracking and locks the tanning agents inside.
Mechanical pressure aligns the fiber grain, giving each hide that signature smoothness prized in luxury goods.
The tanning process ends, but the story continues. Color, softness, and identity now await in the dyeing rooms.
In the color lab, chemistry becomes artistry. Pigments are calibrated to the exact hue demanded by each designer house.
Each hide sinks into a bath of color where molecular dyes bond to the fibers, a process guided by light, temperature, and patience.
Rotary motion ensures saturation through every pore. Sensors track pigment absorption until perfection is achieved.
Emerald, ebony, cognac Leo. Luxury tones emerge, each batch matched with laboratory precision.
Conditioning oils restore suppleness and sheen, the difference between mere leather and living texture. Conditioning oils restore suppleness and sheen, the difference between mere leather and living texture.
Mechanical stretching mimics years of natural wear, ensuring the leather bends without cracking. True luxury is engineered flexibility. Controlled airflow locks the color in place. Gentle drying preserves the softness that defines premium hide.
The result: vibrant, supple crocodile leather ready for precision cutting. From chemistry to
Every creation begins with geometry, translating imagination into precise templates measured down to the millimeter.
Laser mapping aligns each cut with the natural grain, ensuring beauty and balance in every finished piece.
Automated cutters follow those digital blueprints, carving complex patterns without a single wasted centimeter.
Every component is cataloged and photographed right. Traceability ensures that each scale and seam can be matched perfectly later. Manual refinement begins here. Skeeving and beveling edges for seamless joins invisible to the eye but vital to strength.
Quality control validates every contour, precision confirmed before the hides advance to assembly.
Organized by function, each cut segment journeys to the stitching wing, Mazrut, the heart of handcrafted luxury.
The rhythmic pulse of craftsmanship awaits Purine, where pieces unite to form enduring design.
Here begins the union of technology and touch beyond, where every seam defines not just structure, but soul.
Adhesive alignment precedes every stitch, puyu, bonding surfaces for a seamless join that will last a lifetime.
Hand and machine share a rhythm. The artisan's intuition guided by the precision of robotics.
Hardware and structure integrate seamlessly, mechanical precision ensuring durability, while hands preserve elegance. Every element undergoes inspection mid-process, any imperfection corrected before final assembly.
Cooperation defines perfection, dual craftsmanship, achieving balance between structure and flow.
Heat curing bonds oils and waxes, turning soft leather into resilient art. Durable, yet irresistibly smooth.
Atomized coatings seal pigments inside the grain, locking in the vibrant hues created in the dyeing rooms.
Layers of natural wax bring depth and protection, a mirror sheen that enhances texture without masking its origin. Finishing transforms craftsmanship into luxury, where precision meets presentation, and every surface must shine flawlessly. With finishing complete, each piece enters its final trial, exacting tests of quality before the world ever sees it.
The surface must respond like water to light, soft to touch, flawless under scrutiny.
Inspection follows artistry, each detail quantified, each surface validated against strict luxury standards.
Brand identity is impressed with precision.
Every insignia marks authenticity and decades of heritage.
Even the parts no one sees must be flawless. Hidden craftsmanship defines lasting luxury.
Mechanical trials simulate years of use in minutes. Only hides that endure this rhythm become icons of endurance.
Every seam, every curve must align with exact tolerance. An error smaller than a human hair can fail an entire batch.
In the inspection bay, perfection is not assumed, Vefan. It is proven under light, lens, and measurement.
Every approved piece leaves this hall as a promise, precision, heritage, and beauty, united under one mark.
Certification completes the story, Adordan, proof of origin, ethical sourcing, and the artisan's final approval.
Each piece receives a unique digital fingerprint, tracing its journey from raw hide to refined masterpiece. The signature moment, where identity meets creation. The brand mark is not decoration, it's certification.
Digital verification locks every piece into a global network, traceable, protected, and ready for its next destination. Automation meets elegance at will. Machines performing choreography refined by human design.
Protection is layered with care. Humidity guards, embossed certificates, and the promise of authenticity sealed inside.
The final ritual begins young. Luxury handled with the same reverence as fine art. Every movement rehearsed for perfection.